Narinig niyo na ba ang Bermuda Triangle? Alam niyo ba kung gaano kalawak ito at kung saan ito matatagpuan? Yan ngayon yung ating pag-uusapan ngayong araw sa ating online public school. Welcome ulit sa ating online public school at magandang araw na naman para tayo ay mag-usap-usap ng mga bagay-bagay patungkol sa application ng math. At ngayon mag-apply talaga tayo ng totoong geometry, no? Earth measure. At susukatin talaga natin yung gaano kalapad yung area ng isang sikat na lugar sa mundo, ang Bermuda Triangle. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam kung ano yung Bermuda Triangle, hanapin nyo sa internet. Napakaraming mga articles, napakaraming mga videos na ginawa at pati yung mga libro na ginawa tungkol sa mga misteryong naganap dyan sa lugar na yan. Balikan natin yung mapa ng Bermuda Triangle. So, gaano ba talaga kalapad ang Bermuda Triangle? Ang Bermuda Triangle ay itong imaginary na triangle. So, wala talagang guhit sa mundong ibabaw na triangle na ganyan. Ano? There's no such thing. This is an imaginary triangle bounded by Miami, Florida. At doon sa kabila is the islands of Bermuda. At dito sa kabila, si Puerto Rico. So, all these na locations form a triangle. And pag tinignan nyo, talagang halos magkakasing layo, ano? Pero, ang kailangan nating malaman is itong area na to. Gaano ba kalapad yung area na nasasakupan ng Bermuda Triangle? So, meron tayong hint. Ito, may sabi tayong hint. Paano natin malaman? Use the scale on the map to estimate the distances to calculate the area. So, scale. Saan yung scale? Ito yung ating scale. This is the scale. Okay? So, sabi ng ating scale, 500 kilometers daw yung ganito kahaba. No? So, yung parang ganyang kahaba. That is 500 kilometers by estimate. So, ngayon, balikan natin itong mapa. Gaano kalayo yung Miami to Bermuda? So, let's say from Miami, estimate natin, and let's say, ito. This is the first 500 kilometers. So, from here to there, let's say, this one, another 500. From there to another one, let's say, ito, another 500. So, ang natira ay portion ng 500. So, if the 500 is here, so let's say this is mga 300. Okay? So, let's say ito ay 1,800 kilometers. Say 500 plus 500, 1,000. Plus 500, 1,500. Plus 300, 1,800. So, in the same way, let's do the Bermuda to Puerto Rico na cycle. So, let's say from Bermuda, punta tayo sa baba, Puerto Rico. Let's say dito yung 500. And then another one, let's say nandito siya. And then another one, let's say nandito. And then this looks slightly shorter than this. So kung yan ay ginawa nating 300, let's say ito ay gawin nating, let's say 200 lang. So 500 plus 500, 1,000 plus 500, 1,005 plus 200. Let's say this one is 1,700 kilometers. Okay? And let's try from Puerto Rico to Miami. So mula Puerto Rico naman, pupunta sa Miami. Let's say this is the first 500. And then this is the second 500. Let's say this is the third 500. And roughly, ang natirang distance is parang katulad nito ha. So let's say this is also 1,700 kilometers. Okay? So yun ngayon, ginamit natin yung scale. And by using the scale, we are able to estimate 1,700, 1,700, and 1,800. So parang estimate natin, itong side na to at itong side na to ay congruent, meaning they have the same value, para silang 1,700. So, anong tawag dito sa triangle na dalawang sides ay parehas? Tawag dyan ay isosceles, no? Isosceles. Okay, let's go to our whiteboard para i-calculate ang kanyang area. So, I now translated the map into a schematic drawing ng isang triangle. So, we have 1,700 and we have 1,700 and we have 1,800. Pero parang mahirap sa inyong i-imagine paano gawin. So, I will try to rotate the triangle. Okay, rotate. So, now yung triangle natin is traditionally upright na. Yung pinakamalaking side na sa baba. And yung ito, yung mga less na haba na sides nandun sa paakyat. No? So, yung base na tinatawag natin ay ito na pinaka mahaba. And let's draw a line. Pag nag-drawing tayo ng line mula sa taas pa baba, let's say I draw a line which is perpendicular, no? Perpendicular sa base. So, dahil ito ay isosceles at parehas itong side na to sa side na to, no? That means, yung bisector na to, perpendicular sa base, ay hati. No? So, ito ay kalahati nito. So, this one will be 900, ibig sabihin. And, itong vertical na to, tawagin nating y. So, si y ay magiging, ito yung height ng ating triangle na to. Yung Bermuda triangle. So, okay, let's go ahead and compute the area. We all know that the area is 1/2 of the base times height. This is true for a triangle, any triangle. So, kailangan natin computein ngayon yung height. Kasi si base, meron na, alam na natin yung base. Ang base natin ay 1,800 kilometers. Pero si height, kailangan pa natin computein. So, paano natin computein yung height? So, now, computing for height. Alam natin by Pythagorean Theorem na ito ngayon ay leg nitong right triangle na ito. No? Using this portion here as a right triangle, a portion ng buong Bermuda triangle. So, this whole right triangle. Ito yung kukunin natin for our analysis. And by Pythagorean theorem, we know that this squared plus 900 squared equal to this squared. So, yan yun, ano? Y squared plus 900 squared equals to 1,700 squared. Now, ililipat ngayon natin dun sa kabila itong 900. So, mangyayari niyan is magiging minus siya doon sa 1,700. So, it becomes 1,700 squared minus 900 squared. The number can be too long. So, using your calculator, ano nyo na to? Ipindot-pindot nyo na ito. And what happens is you will get the value na 2,080,000 for the square of y. And pag in-square root na natin yan, we will get that y is equal to 1,442 kilometers. Ito ngayon yung height na hinahanap natin. Ito. We can compute the area now because we know the base, we know the height, and then area is 1/2 base times height. So area equals 1/2 base, 1,800 times height, 1,442, equals 1,297,800 square kilometers. Now, roughly, para madali nating matandaan, that would be like 1.3 million square kilometers. Ganyang kalapad yung buong Bermuda Triangle. Okay? So, that's all for today. I hope you had a great time doing this with me. This is a journey of learning. I-search nyo kung ano yung Bermuda Triangle. Get to know yung mga misteryo na dumaan doon. At alam nyo na ganun pala kalapad yung Bermuda Triangle na yan. So, next time na pupunta kayo sa Amerika, nakakatakot ba dumaan na Bermuda Triangle? No, hindi naman. Kaya lang may mga nangyari lang in the past na mukhang misteryoso. Pero sa ngayon naman, napakarami na dumadaan sa lugar na yan. at hindi naman talaga nagiging problema. May mga nagkataon lang ika nga. So that's it for now. Paki-subscribe doon sa mga hindi pa naka-subscribe. Paki-subscribe po ang ating pindutin nyo lang po yung aking mukha na nandyan so that you can start to subscribe to our channel and start learning and be updated. You click na rin the notification button so that maging updated kayo for everything and all the new things that are posted. Maraming salamat. God bless you. Stay healthy.